Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another video on this channel.
This video is about a Bmw E30 static on Japan Racing JR14 rims. At the beginning of the video you will see an old and stock Bmw E30. Owner make with this car a great job. Bring to life this old Bmw and now its other car far from beginning. Change almost everything, color, rims, interior parts, engine parts, a lot of things.
You'll see all the change through the video. I hope you will see nice ideas and you will inspire from this project. Remember, all these videos on this channel are made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell. In this way you will know every time when I upload a new video. Bye bye.